Found this peculiar rock at the bottom of a hole that was dug for a basement out in Stillwater. Was in the glacial till. The sides of that hole and the bottom of that hole had a lot of bigger rocks, which are perfect for agate hunting. So what's unique about this rock, what makes it peculiar, is it feels extremely light and just a ton of rust coming out of the rock. So whatever, I think there's probably a lot of iron in this rock at some point, maybe through water kind of carried some of the iron out, so maybe there's a lot of entrapped atmosphere in there now where the iron was. Maybe there's some kind of, spongy skeletal structure of the rock. I don't know. It seems really light. First I thought maybe it was even a piece of like old urethane foam from like construction, but pretty sure it's a rock, an actual natural rock. So at some point here I'm going to see if this floats, but just kind of give you a view of the rock here. So I just, one of those rocks you pick up and it's like, well, that's weird, why is this rock so light? It just doesn't feel right for weight. And it might actually fall apart when I put it in the water to see if it floats. So that's why I'm getting video now before I do that. And I'll go ahead and maybe throw a magnifier on this and see if you can see any other details on the rock. So here's my magnifier. Actually, in theory, I probably don't need this magnifier because I can zoom in with my camera. Oops, kind of out of focus now. But let me try to get some more detail here. I'll pull the magnifier out of the way. Actually, it's probably just counterproductive to what I'm doing here. So here's the rock up close. Got little hairline fractures in it. So we'll see if it falls apart, holds together, or floats, or whatever. But here's my bowl of water over here. We'll go ahead and give her a check here. Get some better lighting on the bowl. And just, so there's my all my rust coming out of the rock. Very rusty rock. So it had a lot of iron in it. That's about all I can tell. The only real component of that rock I can identify is the rust. So here's the moment of truth. Here's my rock. Here's my bowl of water. We'll see if it floats. Whoa! It does have a lot of trapped air. That's just weird. And it did float actually for a second before the air came out of it. So it's super, super porous. Maybe it's reacting with the water, I don't know. That's just strange. So you don't find rocks too often that float. That's pretty cool. Floated for about 2 seconds. But then it made this weird hissing sound when it like hit the water and went shh. Almost sounded like a chemical reaction, but it's just all the air fighting its way out through the whatever structure's in that rock. So that's pretty cool. I have to say it's the first time I ever found a rock native to Minnesota, or at least in the glacial till, that was able to float. So pretty cool. Suppose there's some coal out there that might actually do the same thing, but haven't come across any.